So I decided that I would try to film a video today, and of course it's raining outside and the majority of my fall decor is outside. So it's gonna be fun here in a minute, but we will get it done. But firstly, I will show everyone the stuff inside. Starting with my side door, it's just this little wreath with the pumpkin. The scarecrows, I think, came from the Dollar Tree, but I made this, so you can't really get it anywhere. But it was easy to make. I mean, you could probably make it easy. And then this will probably stay up through Halloween. It's more Halloween colors. The sign came from the Dollar General. And this pumpkin came in a 3-pack at Walgreens, and then these two came from Walmart last year on clearance. And then I've had the cats, I think they came from eBay. And then I made this a long time ago as a craft, like at church, I think. This little owl came from the Dollar Tree this year. And this little guy my mom's had for a long time. I think he's I don't know what he is. I was gonna say a boy's bear, but I really don't know. I don't think so. This pumpkin came from Walmart, and this little fox came from the Dollar General. And this leaf came from the Dollar Tree. The white pumpkin that's in the living room also came from Walmart. The scarecrow came from the Dollar Tree. These little white pumpkins came in a 3-pack from the Dollar Tree. And then the glittery leaves were also Dollar Tree. This sign was Dollar General. The tray came from the Dollar Tree. And I think this was like Family Dollar or somewhere. The scarecrow. And then these my mom also had forever, and I think some of them might have came from like the Family Dollar also. That one did. But just some little fall bears. This picture is a Pioneer Woman picture, and I usually keep it out year round. The lamb's ear came from Walmart, and then the rest of the flowers came from the Dollar Tree. This little pumpkin soap dispenser came from Boxed. And this little chrome truck with the pumpkins in the back came from the Dollar General. And then moving down here, I got all my towels, fall towels, as a gift when I got my house, because it was fall when I had my housewarming party. So I don't know where any of these came from, but cute. For my table, the big white one came from At Home. This one over here was a prize at like a baby shower, so I'm really not sure where it came from. This one came from Rite Aid when it was still a thing. And then these are the other two that was in the Walgreens 3-pack that I got. These placemats came from Hobby Lobby in a 4-pack. And they're just orange sequined, but not like too bling. And then these plaid, what are these called? I forgot what these are called. Chargers. They came from the Dollar General. I'm thinking the rain shouldn't be too loud. It's pretty much just sprinkling. But this is just on my little shelf outside with this pumpkin. Ha-has. And then I have these pillows and a rug out here on my chairs. And those pillowcases came from Amazon. My sister-in-law gave those to me. And then that one came from eBay. And the little dish there came from Rite Aid. And the little green whatever moss balls in it came from the Dollar Tree. And I did not plan on this white rug coming outside, but for some reason when I was gone one weekend, Hoss got mad and peed on it, and I did wash it, but I'm just afraid that it would smell, so I just left it out here. Moving this way, I have a new bench that I have showed on Instagram, but not on my YouTube channel. And those orange lights are not going to stay there. I've got 2 sets I think I'm going to put around each door for Halloween. I was just playing around with them. But these are my fall pillows, and all the pillowcases like this came from eBay. This leaf, the acorn, and that leaf pillow all came from Walmart on clearance last year. And this is just my summer pillow. I just turned it around. See, it's this summer. But yeah, I thought it turned out cute. I'm sorry Hoss is in the way. He like never gets on there. For some reason he would right now. Right now I'm currently under my front porch because like I said it's raining. But I do have this jack-o'-lantern pumpkin flag that I will keep out through Halloween. And then turning around, I've got this rug. It came from the Dollar Tree. It's really cheaply made, but I mean just for decor purposes it's cute for $1. And then this is the same wreath I had last year. And then I did get this. Can you not kill a bird right now? Like it's raining. You just ate. Cats, man. I did get this last year at Walmart, and I added the orange flowers, which were from the Dollar Tree. And then that's my Wandering Drew. It's real. And then I did get a purple mum to match that. It's out there getting a drink right now. It's not fully bloomed out yet. My dahlias are still doing a little bit. They've still got some buds. They've been so pretty this year. But yeah, my mums are almost there, but they needed a drink. I have a flag on my mailbox too, but I don't want to walk out there. It's the same one I had last year. You can kind of see it. It says something like, be thankful for what you have. Everything you have is enough, or something. I don't even know. Okay. But that is going to conclude my fall home tour, and I hope everyone who watched enjoyed. I know my videos have been very few and far between, but you know, life happens. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed, and I will see y'all in the next one.